So David I here. I've installed C++ Builder version 1 Client Server Edition on a Windows 95 virtual machine. Here's the IDE. We're going to create the first application, put a button, put an edit box, and then add a list box to the form designer. And then we'll adjust the sizes just to give us more space to display strings. In the Object Inspector, we can see all the properties. We'll clear out the text in the edit box. We'll change the caption on the button to click me. We'll set the default property so that just hitting enter will cause the event handler for the button to fire. Here we'll write some line of code that just adds the contents of the edit box to the list box items. Then we'll click the run button to compile the application. Put in hello world or whatever in the edit box, click the button, and see the text gets added to the list box below the edit box. That's the first application that we built to demonstrate Delphi 1, and we used the same application just using C++ code in C++ Builder version 1. Just going through and looking at a few of the menus, the project manager, the building your projects, getting information about a compiled application, number of lines of code, what the code size in bytes, the data size is, the initial stack size. You can see that in the information. Then we'll go back in and we'll set a breakpoint at the line of code using the integrated debugger in C++ Builder version 1. We can run the application, click the button, hits the breakpoint. We can start exploring through memory, looking at the values and variables. So here we'll highlight the edit text and bring up the evaluate modify box, for example, to look at the contents of what I just typed in, displayed there in the result. Now you can do much more in C++ Builder version 1, including talking to local databases as well as client-server SQL databases on the back end. That was the first quick demo that we always built to show C++ developers that they have the power of visual development and C++.